Here it is, it's December 22nd. So 4 days before Christmas, and it's 74 degrees out. 74 degrees out, it's 3 minutes past 9 o'clock. Those are the tornado warning horn going off. You can't see it with this, but there is some wind, quite the wind happening out around here right now. You can see the clouds moving fast or not. But got some very nasty rain and winds coming our way in the next 20 minutes. So we'll see what happens here at the homestead. This is your iSky reporter saying welcome to the jungle.